Welcome to this Backup Assist video, how to back up SharePoint using Backup Assist 365. I'm Craig with your Client Success team. Let's get started. This video explains how to back up files on a SharePoint server to a local or network destination. So, to create a SharePoint backup task, open up Backup Assist 365, select Create New from the left menu, and then click on the SharePoint tile. Next, you'll name your task. Just enter a name for the task into the field provided. Then you'll log in. This step is used to provide credentials for the account that Backup Assist 365 will use to access and back up the SharePoint server. This account should only be used for this backup task and have access to the SharePoint files that you want to back up. To log into the SharePoint server, select the web browser that you want to use. Click Launch Browser to log in. Type the backup account's username and password into the fields provided. Close the web browser after you see the "Your sign-in was successful" message. Now you can save and proceed to the next step, choosing what to download. This step is used to select the files and folders that you want to back up. To select the files and folders, click the Select a Site button, then select the SharePoint site. Select the files and folders you want to back up, then save and proceed to the next step, which is encryption. If you want to encrypt this backup, select Store the Backups Encrypted and enter a password into the fields provided. You will be prompted to provide this password if you perform a restore using this backup. Next on the menu is versioning. By default, Backup Assist 365 creates a mirror copy of your SharePoint files. You can also maintain copies of deleted files and different versions of modified files by selecting Keep Past, which are your historical versions of files. Keeping copies of deleted files and older versions of existing files can dramatically increase the amount of storage required. Use the data retention options to limit the amount of historical data that's backed up. Now we need to choose where you want to save your backups to. And it is an important consideration. The location should be secure and have room for the backups to grow as more data is backed up. To set the backup destination, enter a local folder or network folder location into the fields provided. Network folder allows you to use a network share or NAS device and may require the credentials of an account with access to that folder. An important note: while a network share is convenient, if it's not set up with adequate security measures, it can pose a data breach risk. To create a best practice network destination, read our Backing Up to Network Share on the Backup Assist 365 Guides page on our website. Now you can save your selections and proceed to the next step, which is scheduling. It's best to run the backup task when users are not using their data, so by default the task will start at midnight. You can use the maximum runtime options to stop the backup task from running at a time when users are accessing their data. To set up your backup schedule, choose a schedule type to set how often the backup task will run, and then set a start time for the task. Now save and proceed to the next step, which is save and run. You have a choice. You can save your task and it will run at the scheduled time, or you can click Save and Run to save the task and run it. That's all there is to it. Now you're backing up your SharePoint data using Backup Assist 365. We appreciate the opportunity to earn your business. If you should require any additional assistance, please contact us, Client Success, at sales@backupassist.com. You can also reach our tech support team at support@backupassist.com, or if you'd prefer to speak with us personally, the number is 812-206-1691. Thank you We'll see you next time.